Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Sony India launches lightweight FE 100 to 400 millimeters f 5.6 to 8 OSS telephoto lens. Sony India has launched the FE 100 to 400 mm f5.6 to 8 OSS Super telephoto zoom lens for full frame E-mounted cameras priced at 94,990 rupees. Tailored for wildlife, sports and travel creators, the lens weighs just 654 grams and extends up to 800 millimeters with an optional teleconverter. It features two ED and two aspherical elements, a 9-blade circular aperture, dual linear motors for fast autofocus, and built-in optical image stabilization. Constructed using over 41% recycled plastic, the dust and moisture resistant lens is now available across Sony retail channels. iQOO Z11 5G and iQOO Buds launched in India. iQOO has officially launched the iQOO Z11 5G in India, debuting as the country's first smartphone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity, a 7500 turbo processor. Starting at 34,999 rupees, effective 31,499 rupees, it features a 6.83-inch 144Hz 1.5K curved AMOLED display, AI productivity tools, a 50-megapixel Sony OIS camera, IP68/IP69 ratings, and a 7,050 mAh battery with 44-watt charging. Alongside, the brand unveiled the iQOO Buds 1,899 rupees, offering up to 50 hours of playback, AI call noise cancelling, and Bluetooth 6.1 dual device connectivity. CMF launches Buds Neo TWS earbuds as accessible ecosystem entry, nothing sub-brand. CMF has officially launched the Buds Neo, expanding its audio lineup with a focus on affordability and sleek design. Positioned as the brand's most accessible TWS entry point, the earbuds feature custom dynamic drivers, active noise cancellation, and customizable EQ settings via the Nothing X app. Designed with CMF's signature minimalist aesthetic, the Buds Neo feature lightweight stem-style bodies and a distinct rotary charging case. They offer extended playback times, fast charging support, low latency gaming mode, and seamless multi-device connectivity. CMF OpenAI GPT-5.6 Terra and Luna models reach Amazon Bedrock in India. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has announced the general availability of OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Terra and Luna models on Amazon Bedrock in India, enabling local in-country inferencing. The launch allows Indian enterprises across regulated sectors to deploy frontier AI models on local AWS infrastructure while maintaining security, governance, and low latency. Accessible via a unified API, the balanced Terra model targets general enterprise workloads, while the high-speed Luna model focuses on high-volume, latency-sensitive tasks, offering price reductions of up to 20% and 80% respectively. Google introduces preferred sources and personalization tools across products. Google has launched new personalization features across Search, Discover, and Google News to give users direct control over their content feeds. Publishers can now embed an interactive preferred sources button on their websites, allowing readers to prioritize trusted publications across top stories, AI overviews, and AI mode. Additionally, Google is introducing conversational AI controls powered by Gemini to customize Discover feeds via the three-dot menu, alongside tailored daily audio briefings with topic selection and clear attribution in the Google News app for Android. Cabinet approves 62,500 crore rupees Mobile Phone Manufacturing Scheme. The Union Cabinet has approved the Mobile Phone Manufacturing Scheme (MPMS), with a 62,500 crore rupees outlay to boost domestic electronics production, value addition, and exports. Spanning 5 years from FY 2026-27 to FY 2030-31, the initiative offers sales incentive of 2.25% to 5% plus up to 1.5% extra for local component sourcing. To nurture Indian brands, an additional 3% incentive is tied to R&D and product design. The government projects cumulative mobile production to reach 39 lakh crore rupees over the scheme's tenure. Today's AI tool is Glass, Social Web Highlighter for Collective Learning. Glass is a social web highlighting platform designed to help knowledge seekers annotate, organize, and share insights directly from the web. By enabling active reading, users can highlight key text, take personal notes, and compile a structured cross-device digital library of curated information. Unlike private note-taking tools, Class focuses on community-driven discovery. Users can follow like-minded readers, explore public annotations, and gain diverse perspectives on complex topics. By combining personal knowledge management with a social feeds network, Glass transforms individual research into an interactive, shared learning experience. Today, and our lead story is about ASUS launches Vive M240 AiO PC and new tech accessories in India. ASUS has launched the VM240 AiO all-in-one desktop PC in India at 66,990 rupees, featuring a 24-inch FHD display and ultra-slim 22mm stand, AMD Ryzen processors, up to 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and a 108 OP privacy webcam. It targets everyday productivity. Alongside the desktop PC, ASUS introduced 4 new peripherals. The hot swappable Jelly 75 keyboard KG201, 8,999 rupees. The wireless mouse MD1 Ufawa 1,799 rupees. The Marshmallow CW200 combo 4,199 rupees. And the ROG HDMI cable LHR6 no 999 rupees. Consoles are now live across major retail channels. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.